Are you struggling to make the most of Excel and Google Sheets? Or maybe you're interested in the latest economic trends? Perhaps you're curious about cryptocurrencies and how to use platforms like Binance. Are you trying to find out more about some knowledge to apply for office work? You've come to the right place. We are here for those kind of sharing. Welcome to Key of Tech channel. Our channel will benefit you through 3 group content. Number 1, office tool to apply for daily work such as Google Sheet, Microsoft Excel, or PowerPoint. You can take advantage from my video to innovate your own task. Number 2, understanding learning on some courses such as Principle of Marketing, Finance, Procurement, Planning, Economic, and so on. Number 3, how to get additional income on my experience with trading platform and for cryptocurrency and finance such as Binance and MT4 or MT5. Make sure that you watch our video and make your own understand analysis. We don't give any guarantee that is work 100% of what we have shared in the videos. We just share our experience and theories and current practices only. Join our community today and take your skills and knowledge to the next level. Thank you for watching.